Balikan po natin ang technical chart, no? On a big picture. No, on a big picture, tayo po ay nasa malaking TLSBD, no? Mapapansin mo, since 2020, this is a multi-year breakdown, ay nasa higher, lower high na ginagawa niya dahil nagkaroon na ng structural change dito. No, nagkaroon ng breakdown way back, malaking nilagapakit sa candle na to, no, around 86, pababa po ng halos 62, eh nagkaroon ng structural shift. Therefore, tanungin natin, before tayo sumagot kung bull run na nga ba, where are we structurally? Okay, the answer is, we are about to break out a key level resistance. Pagkatapos niyang bumasag ng napakagandang resistance around 68. At meron pa nga yan ditong mas maliit na inverse HNS which signaled a reversal. Umakit na nga po nung umakit ito ka Miranda. Konting laki lang, Coach Miranda. Ayan, para mas makita po ng mabuti. No? You're going to notice that the market created a breakout from the old structure, which is obviously a little bit of a secondary downtrend, no? A secondary uptrend rather, because malaking downtrend ito kung titingnan po natin. Nagbagsak siya, no? Big picture pa rin, no? Another argument, one might say na pag tingnan mo, tingnan mo talaga from 0, 78 ngayon, Coach, uptrend pa rin yan. All right, so it would depend on how you look at it, but from a structure perspective, ito po ay bumasag, no, ng TRBO at ngayon po ay hahataw na siya ng 82. All right. Based on that argument alone, bull run na nga ba? Based on that argument alone, bull run na nga ba? The answer is hindi. There was a breakout on the previous structure. However, malayo-layo pa ito. Kailangan pa niyang basagin ang 82,700 over a sustained period of time. Now, we are basically around 5 days from this particular momentum. Since August 19 to August 25, we saw a 6-day momentum paakyat. No? I don't think it's a sustained period of time. Therefore, from a market structure perspective, palagay natin, aakyat pa ito, no? Pag bumasag ng 82, no, this area 82,000, pag binasag niya itong area na to 82,500, itong particular neckline na ito, gagawa siya ng magandang double bottom. Therefore, this can potentially go even higher.